I'm Richard Morgan, the Managing Director of MES Systems. So we were established in 1988. We're SSIB accredited installers and maintainers of fire and security systems, including intruder alarm systems, CCTV, access control gates and barriers, and various fire safety products. We have our management team, which is made up predominantly of people who have had technical role or have previously been engineers. We've then got our engineers and apprentices. And then from our office-based team, we've got our kind of stores roles, sales roles, accounts, and office-based technical support, as well as our kind of service coordinators. Warwickshire is a great place to do business, being surrounded by cities and major motorway links. Just means that obviously it really does attract a big variety of businesses, which obviously create exciting opportunities for ourselves.
Been at MES Systems since October 2016, so in my 6th year at the moment. Enjoy the challenges that we face on a day-to-day basis. No 2 days are ever the same. Obviously the technical challenges are something that I thrive on. Okay, so myself is the day-to-day management of the installation department. That entails coordination with the client to make sure that we can actually get in, make a start on the work and obviously see the project through from beginning to end. Taking it into account the technicalities of the project, how we're going to do it, the method of safe work, carrying out any form of risk assessments, ordering of equipment, making sure that all available tools and things are there when we need them, and making sure that we exceed the customer's expectations. In terms of the people I look for to bring into the teams that I work with, they have to be enthusiastic, committed, technically minded, willing to learn, because again the way that the industry's changed and continues to change is fast-paced. You need to be able to keep up with technology and be interested in it to make sure that you're on your A game all the time. Overall viewing of CVs when they come through would be down to myself and obviously other departmental managers from the technical sort of side of the business. Obviously we'd look through the CVs, see which candidates have the applicable sort of criteria that we're looking for. Obviously they would be shortlisted, and then from there it would be face-to-face interviews to drill down a bit more in terms of their capabilities and what sort of individual they are and how they're going to suit the business.
I'm Andrew Ralph and I'm a senior engineer at MES Systems. Basically anybody that gets stuck engineer-wise on a job, I'll then go out, give them a second approval, help them basically get the job finished. I worked here 5 years and it's quite a close-knit company, which is quite nice. Everybody knows everybody, everybody's happy to help everybody. It's just a general nice place to work.
My role is Tech Support Manager, which involves providing tech support for both internal and external customers. I qualified as a radio and TV engineer, was what I was trained on from school, and then I went into the security industry. I've only worked here 7 months. I mean, I've been in the industry for 30 years, but fairly new here. It's just a challenge of not knowing what's happening every day. Different faults, different customers.
So my name's George Batchelor and I'm the Finance Manager at MES Systems Limited. I mean, a fair bit of our recruitment has been done through word of mouth. We may know people in the industry who may be looking for jobs and they'll get in touch. We also use external recruitment consultants who will put forward CVs. We will obviously sieve through and try and find suitable candidates here. We've got a good team culture here at the business. We've worked together, for especially the last 4 years that I've been here. It's been a case of we've been working really hard to put processes together to make it easier for everybody to sort of work to the same wavelength. That's really come on well. The business is definitely more efficient. It's been easier for us to then bring people into the business who are new, that they can follow these processes rather than trying to have to do a lot of guesswork in their job, which has been really good.
Obviously, if they've got qualifications, you know, from previous apprenticeships or trainee courses, then that's always beneficial. Obviously, you know, the key thing is making sure that whoever it is that we are looking to take on has, you know, the willingness to learn and continue to develop. So we get approached by recruitment agencies in terms of any applicable candidates that suit the criteria that we obviously advertise to them. We also list job vacancies on our website. We are a growing business. We're always looking for, you know, additional talent to come into the business and help us grow.
We're looking for sort of open-minded, honest, hard-working people who obviously put the customer first, obviously help the team, so we can all come together and provide a fantastic service.